Hey everyone, if you've finished editing a photo or design in Pixlr and want to save it to your device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download images from Pixlr step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your Pixlr account and open the image or project you want to download. Make sure you've completed all your edits before starting the export process. Take a moment to review your image carefully. Check the colors, text, effects, and overall design to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want. Once you're satisfied with the result, look for the Save, Export, or Download option in the editor. Click it to open the export settings. Next, choose the file format you want to use. Common options include JPG for smaller file sizes and PNG for higher quality graphics or images that require transparency. For important projects, consider keeping a backup copy of both the exported image and the original Pixlr project so you can make changes later if necessary. If the download doesn't start, refresh the page, try exporting again, or test the process in another browser to rule out browser-related issues. And that's how to download images from Pixlr in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can save your finished designs and photos for sharing, printing, or future use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.